Come here. Come here.
Ho, yo ho ho.
Yes, you are a good little bird.
No. Hi.
Yes, you're a good bird. Okay.
President of
Let's
the
try a
Star
little bit
Trek
farther away.
Fans
Come
Club.
on. Come on, get off. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on.
Hey,
Oh,
that's
yes, you're a good bird.
Merry Christmas.
I just got her today,
It
and she already
is
trusts me.
Christmas. And there ain't nothing better in the 7 seas than a bikini bottom Christmas. It sure
And
is a magical time of year.
he or she is only 3 months old.
Why, I'll bet old SpongeBob
They're on,
is gearing up for
he or
Santa
she's only
Claus
3
right
months
now.
old,
I sure am.
and I got her today. Her name is Lulu, and she's a very loving bird.
Not bad for a
She'll
creature
climb
with
your
no
head.
vertebrae. And I'm sure our pal Patrick is doing his share of the decorating.
Okay, no, don't get in my shirt, baby. Okay, get over there. Let's try one more time, okay, Lulu? Hey, let's try one more time, baby, okay?
Unbaked cookie dough.
Come here. Come here. Yes, come here, Lulu. Come. Lulu. Lulu, come here. Come here. Come here, Lulu. Lulu, come here.
Off, you flying
Lulu.
freak.
Lulu. No.
Here comes
No, no,
the
no, Lulu.
children.
No,
Nothing
no.
but
Turn around. Turn around. Silly bird. Silly parrot.
3 bells.
Come
But
here.
we all know what 3
Come here.
bells means.
Come.
Free ice cream!
Never mind.